Everyone in the PC gaming space is making a massive mistake right now. If you are sitting on your money, waiting for the Asus ROG Ally 2 to completely revolutionize handheld gaming, you are being fed a narrative that doesn't match what is actually happening behind closed doors. The tech blogs, the spec sheet chasers, and the hype channels are telling you that a simple spec bump is coming to crush the Steam Deck. But if you think this is just another standard generational upgrade, you are completely missing the real war happening in handheld hardware. Inside the boardrooms of Asus and Microsoft, something massive shifted. Leaked regulatory filings from the FCC, certification dockets from South Korea, and supply chain manifests from Asia have exposed a secret project that completely redefines what an Asus handheld is meant to be. The original roadmap for a standard ROG Ally sequel wasn't just revised. It was merged into a multi-billion-dollar battle for the future of portable gaming. If you are planning to buy a handheld PC, or if you already own an original ROG Ally, a Steam Deck OLED, or a Lenovo Legion Go, what is leaking right now changes every financial decision you are about to make. The release timeline you are being promised is misleading. The processor specs are locked in a fierce heat battle, and there is a physical button spotted on leaked prototypes that proves Microsoft and Asus are pulling off a Trojan horse maneuver that no one saw coming. By the time you finish listening to this, you will know the full truth behind the ROG Ally 2 leaks, the real reason why two distinct hardware models exist, the exact silicon powering this new generation, the hidden battery secrets, and whether waiting for this device will be the best decision you make or an expensive disappointment. To understand how we got to this point, you have to look at the chaotic history of the original ROG Ally. When Asus dropped the original Ally, it was a bold, violent punch to Valve's Steam Deck. It offered a sharper 1080p 120Hz display, a far more powerful AMD Ryzen Z2 Extreme chip, and the freedom of native Windows 11. On paper, it was a dream. In reality, it was a beautiful mess. Windows 11 was clumsy on a touch screen, battery life was an absolute nightmare, and the micro SD card slot heat disaster left a permanent stain on the device's launch reputation. Asus tried to fix this with the interim ROG Ally X, cramming in a massive battery and more RAM. But everyone knew that was just a stopgap. The community wanted a true successor. The community wanted the ROG Ally 2. Industry insiders originally assumed Asus would follow a simple 2-year cycle. Build a new shell, throw in AMD's next-generation APU, bump the price tag, and launch it into the market. But while gamers were waiting for a basic hardware update, Microsoft realized they had a massive problem on their hands. Windows 11 was failing portable gamers, and Valve's Linux-based SteamOS was eating their market share alive. So Microsoft didn't build their own dedicated handheld console from scratch. Instead, they walked into Asus's headquarters and changed the entire trajectory of the ROG Ally 2. The leaks started spilling out through supply chain tracking under code names like RC73 and Project Kennen. When eagle-eyed researchers dug through the FCC listings and Korean Radio Research Agency databases, they didn't just find one device. They found two completely different hardware SKUs, codenamed RC73XA and RC73YA. And when the first leaked images surfaced, the entire handheld community lost its mind over a single, undeniable physical detail. On the high-end black variant of the new chassis, sitting right next to the left thumbstick, was a dedicated, branded Xbox button. Let that sink in for a second. The white variant of the leaked chassis keeps the traditional ROG control layout, but the black variant carries an Xbox button natively baked into the front shell. This single leak confirmed what analysts had been guessing for months. Asus and Microsoft